Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a lip sync AI video on Kling AI. So you're going to go to the video generation here and then text to video, and then you're going to insert this prompt. Just gonna copy and paste it here. Can I not paste it? Hello. Okay, I can't paste it for some reason, so I'm just gonna type it again. Professional women sitting calmly, direct eye contact with camera, slight smile, studio lighting, realistic face. Then in the negative prompt, I'm just going to type in warp, low quality, and distortion. Then I'm just going to select generate here. Wonder how long this will take. Okay, estimated waiting time longer than an hour. Okay, I'll be right back when it's done generating. Then you are just going to select the lip sync button here. You can add your own audio and the upload local dubbing one, or you can insert your own text to speech. I'm just going to say, hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Select whichever voice you want. Let's do Peppy. What is...
Hey guys, and welcome.
Oh.
Hey guys, and welcome back.
Hey guys, and welcome back to this.
Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel.
Okay, let's do melody. Then I'm just going to select add speech. You can also adjust the speech rate here. Oh, it should be over 2 seconds. In this video, I'll be showing you. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like, I guess. Oh, wait, well, you need to generate it first. I can't submit it right now because the server's busy and I don't have it, but you're just going to select generate and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.